All right, so you've got your home, you've owned it for 5 years, and you're keeping the same insurance policy. Good for you, protecting your asset. But do you have enough to rebuild your home today? This is a question that we get asked a lot. How much home insurance do you need? There's a lot of numbers out there. When you talk to loan officers, real estate officers, any different person that has anything to do with your home, there's a lot of different figures. But ultimately what your coverage ought to be for is not your tax assessment. It's not what you can sell the property for. Those numbers don't mean anything to your home insurance. Your home insurance amount needs to be for replacement cost. So this is a lot more about what a contractor and their team would cost to come in and rebuild the house. Because after all, that's what insurance is for, rebuilding your home. When we talk to a lot of folks, they want their home insurance to match their loan amount or what they think their home is worth. So if a realtor thinks that a waterfront property could be sold for 1.5, you probably don't need $1.5 million worth of coverage because the home is still gonna cost what it's gonna cost to rebuild. So it's important as we see ever rising costs of construction, just to make sure you talk with your agent, see if you have things like extended dwelling coverage, replacement cost endorsements. There's a lot of things that can be tacked onto the policy for minimal extra cost that can give you peace of mind that your biggest asset, your home, is protected. So if you've enjoyed this video, check out the next one. We'll have a lot more about how to protect your home and what you ought to have for coverage. We're here to answer any questions. We love taking care of people, and number one, educating people. Cheap insurance is paid with cheap claims. Don't get caught.